My dear students of class 9, the question what I have written on the board, that is from exercise 7.1 of mathematics NCERT book. Especially for class 9 student it is required. Triangle chapter is there. You read the question very nicely and from the question you draw the diagram. Sometimes diagram means figure is given, but sometimes you have to draw yourself. So better you practice to draw the diagram yourself. Here you see a line or line L bisect angle A. So there is one angle A. Here is one angle A. It is like that. Angle A. And this angle is bisected. Actually L bisects angle A. So bisect means, do you understand what happens? This angle is equal to this angle, you can write. That means L bisect angle A. After that what is written? BP and BQ are perpendiculars. BP. Where is B? B you have to take on the line L. Here B is any point on line L. So I have taken here B. According to the direction given in question, B is any point on L. Means B may be here, B may be here, B may be here. But from B, BP, here it is written, BP and BQ are perpendicular. So BP and BQ are perpendiculars on the two arms. Here written, perpendiculars on two arms of angle A. You know that whenever angle is made, angle has two arms. So one arm is here, another arm is here. So BP and BQ are perpendiculars on the two arms. And this angle will be equal to this angle because L bisect angle here. Then what you have to do? So that APB congruent to AQB or BP congruent to BQ. You can do one thing. Directly you can do the proof also because everything is clear in the question. These two things you have to do. One, you have to make the triangles congruent. Another, you have to make the two sides BP and BQ equal. Here you see directly from proof. After figure I am drawing the or I am solving. Means what? Proof directly. Here you see, in this case, you compare these two triangles. How can you compare? Here you see, angle P is equal to angle Q. Why it is so? In triangle ABP and or APB, better you write as it is written here in the question. APB and triangle AAQB. Compare like that. This angle is equal to this angle, you can write angle P is equal to angle Q. You may write like that also, angle APB is equal to angle QBP, angle AQB, or in shortcut you can write angle P is equal to angle Q. From where it came? 90 degree. It's equal to 90 degree. But why 90 degree? Since BP perpendicular on AP, BP perpendicular on AP and BQ perpendicular on AQ. I think it is clear. In triangle APB and AQB, what I have written? Angle P is equal to angle Q. Why equal? Because they are 90 degree. Why they are 90 degree? Because BP perpendicular to AP and BQ perpendicular to AQ. Okay. So 1 point you got, 3 points are required to make congruent. And this angle is equal to, suppose this angle is 1, this angle is 2. So I can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why it is so? Since L bisect angle A, since L bisects angle A. Okay. Now AB is equal to AB. In both the triangles, AB is what? Common. AB is equal to AB. Why it is? Common. Common side. So in this way they are congruent. Therefore triangle APB congruent to triangle ABQ or AQB. By what postulate? By angle side. When these two triangles are congruent, easily you can write BP is equal to, when these two triangles are congruent, you can write BP equal to BQ. Therefore BP equal to BQ. Why it is so? By angle, CPCT. That is called what? CPCT. CPCT. Once again I am telling you, CPCT means what? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. My dear students, I hope you understood. I request you subscribe my channel so that whenever I upload a video, you will get the information quickly.